Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. Then set up an hour. When you're ready, choose OK and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Then tap on vibrate to disable and enable vibrations and click on label. Label your alarm however you want to, tap on OK to save it and click on this bell icon over here. Now pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the best one and going back. You can also click on this bell icon, but this time choose add new and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the one that you wish to set up and going back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, just click on delete at the bottom right corner. So start the left corner, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!